Good morning, dear students. Let us see question number 4, chapter 6, compound interest in this class. Okay. Now, first of all, see, let us read the question. Question number 4. Okay. Harvinder deposited rupees 40,000 in a post office. Now, look here. In a post office, Harvinder has deposited his amount, 40,000 rupees. And it was for a period of 3 years. Now the post office credits the interest yearly in his account at 7% per annum compounded annually. Look here children. Here the post office is giving him interest in compound form. So compounded annually, every year the interest is calculated and then it is added to his main amount, and then again the next year interest is calculated. In this way he is keeping his money in the post office for 3 years. Now we have to find out the balance in his account after 3 years. How much amount is there after 3 years? This we have to find out. Now see, first of all let us see what is the principal amount. Principal amount is rupees 40,000. Okay. Then time is for 3 years and you all know that we need to calculate year after year, and a rate is equal to 7%. Okay. So here what we can do is we can calculate interest every year. Now interest for the first year will be, now first year the principal will be 40,000. We will begin with 40,000. So 40,000 into rate is 7% into 1, and this divided by 100. Okay. Now see, we can cancel. What we can cancel? We can cancel the zeros. 0, 0 and 0, 0. Now here what amount is left? See here, 7 4s are 28, and how many zeros are left? 2 zeros. So finally 2800 is his what? Interest after the first year. Now we have to find out what is his principal for the second year, and for that you need to calculate the amount after the first year. Amount after the first year, that will be 40,000 plus 2800. 40,000 plus 2800. So that will be 42,800. Now children, this is the amount that will be present in his account after first year. Now in the second year, when the post office will give interest on this particular amount, 42,800. Okay. So let us calculate the interest for the second year. Now for the second year the interest will be calculated on 42,800. Okay, this will be the principal amount, and multiplied by 7 for the next year. So 1 divided by 100. Okay. So see, 2 zeros again cancel. Now you are left with 428 multiplied by 7. So let us see how much is it. 428 multiplied by 7. I'll calculate here. 428 multiplied by 7. 7 8s are 56. Okay. 7 8s are 56. So it will be 6, 7 8 56, 6, 5, 14 and 5. 19, 9, carry 1, 7 for the 28 and 129. So 2,996. 2,996. You can see every year it will increase. So this is the interest you will be getting for the second year. So we have to find out how much is the amount in his account after the second year. It will be 42,800 plus 2,996. So see how much amount is there. 6, 9, 8, 8, 16 and 1, 17, 5, 4. So 45,796 is the amount in his what? In his account in the post office after the second year. Now you have to find out what will be the amount in his account after the third year. Okay, so after the third year, let us see, this will be I3. What will be the amount for the third year? His principal will be 45,796. So 45,796 multiplied by 7 into 1 divided by 100. Now children, see, it is tedious to multiply and find it out here. Although you can cut 145,796 by 4, I would like to multiply 45,796 into 7 and then I will divide it by 100. That will be more easy. So 45,796 multiplied by 7 I am trying to calculate here. 7 6 are 42. We'll be left with 4. 7 9 are 63 and 4 67. So we are left with 6. 7 7 are 49 and 6. That will be 55. We'll be left with 5. 7 5 are 35 and 5 40. 0 4 7 4 are 28 and 4 29 30 29 30 31 32. Okay, so it will be 32. So 320,572 divided by 100. So it will be 3205.72. So 3,205.72. This is the interest he will get in the third year. So now what will be the amount after the third year? Find the balance in his account after the third year. First of all, you have to keep in mind what is the principal. Principal amount is 45,796. Now add 3205.72. 3205.72. Okay. Now let us see what is the amount. So add. Yes. This you have to add to find out what is the amount after the third year. So 2, 7, 6 and 5, 11, 1, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1, again 0, 1, 9, 4. So 49,001. So the amount after the third year will be 49,001.72. Okay. So find the balance in his account after the third year. After the third year, there will be 49,001.72 in his account. Yes, come on dear children. Let us move forward with the next question. Question number 5. Monica borrowed rupees 4,096 from Shalini for 3 years at 6.154% per annum. Find the amount and the compound interest paid by her to Shalini after 3 years. The interest is compounded annually. Look here children, it is the same as we have done in the previous questions. The only difference is here the rate is given in mixed number. So you have to understand how to calculate while you are using rate as a mixed number. So as you all know, I am proceeding forward. Okay, I am proceeding forward with this question. So here you know that principal amount P is equal to rupees 4,096. Okay. Rate is 6.1/4. Now see, 6.1/4%. This means 25/4%. Okay. And time is 3 years. You can calculate it year after year. So I am not putting the time here. Now let us calculate interest for the first year. Interest for the first year will be P into R into T by 100. Here your P is 4,096. Into your R is 25/4 into 1 whole divided by 100. Now see, 4 is in the denominator and your 100 is also in the denominator. So you can put both 100 and 4 in the same denominator. Now see here, 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Let us change the pen so that you can see the cuttings also. Okay, now see, you can calculate, you can see that 96 is divisible by 4, so you can cancel with 4. 4 ones are 4, and see here, 4 ones are 4, 0, 4 twos are 8, so 16, and 4 fours are 16. You are left with 1024 by 4. 1024 by 4. Again you can see that 24 is divisible by 4. Here it is 4, please. Here it is 4. 24, 10244. 24 is divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. So see, here 4 ones are 4, here 4 twos are 8, 22, 4 fives are 20, then 24, and 4 sixes are 24. So you are getting rupees 256 as interest in the first year. So okay, now children, what will be the amount after the first year? After the first year, the amount will be equal to 4096 plus 256. Okay, so what will be the amount? Let us see. 6 and 6 12, 2 1, 10 and 5 15, 5 carry 1, 2 and 1 3, and 4. So 4352 is the amount he will be getting after the first year, and this will be acting as a principal in the second year, because Monica has to give 4352 to Shalini after first year, but if she is keeping for the second year also, then the principal amount will be 4352. So let us go for second year's interest. Now let us see what is the second year interest. The second year interest will be calculated on 4352, and the same rate will be 25 by 4 into 1 divided by 100. Children, I have told you, you can put 100 in the denominator, because 4 will also come in the denominator and 100 will also come in the denominator. Now again children, you can see that 52 is divisible by 4, and therefore you can cut off with 4. 4 ones are 4. See, 4 ones are 4. So 3 is there. So you cannot go for 3. So 0, 35, 4 8s are 32. Again 3 left, 32, 4 8s are 32. So you are getting 1088. Now see, 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So 1088. 1088 by 4. Okay, now 1088 by 4 means, what can you do here? 88 is also divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. See, 4 twos are 8, 28, 4 sevens are 28, and 4 twos are 8. So you are getting rupees 272. Now see what will be the amount he will be getting after the second year. So that will be equal to 4352 plus 272. So here amount after the second year will be 4352 was the principal and 272 is the interest. So total amount she will be getting after the second year is 2 and 2 4, 7 and 5 12, 2 1, 4 and 2 6, and 6 4, 4624. So this is the principal amount for the third year. This is the principal amount for the third year. Okay, so let us see what is the interest he is going to get after the third year. So principal amount is 4624 multiplied by rate, that is 25 divided by 4 into 1, and whole by 100. I have already told you 100 will come in the denominator as well as 4 will also come in the denominator. Now look here children, to be very clear. See, 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Again see 24, so 4 6 are 24, 20. Therefore this is fully the factor of 4. 4 ones are 4. See here, 4 ones are 4. So 6, 4 ones are 4, 22, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. You are left with 1 1 5 6 divided by 4. Again 56 is divisible by 4. So 1156 is also divisible by 4. So what we shall do? We shall again cancel it by 4. 4 ones are 4. here see 4 2s are 8, 35, 4 8s are 32, 36, 4 9s are 36. So you are getting 289 for the third year as interest. Okay. Now see what was the principal amount, 4624. See 4624 was the principal amount for the third year and his interest was 2089. So what is the amount after the third year? Amount after the third year will be equal to 9 plus 4 13, 3, 1, 8 to 10 and 1 11, 1, 1, 9, 4. 4693. So the amount, see, find the interest is compounded annually. Find the amount and the compound interest. Both he wants. So 4913 is the amount. So amount after the third year, amount is equal to 4913. This is in rupees. And what will be the principal, no, what will be the compound interest? So 4913 minus, what was the actual principal, children? It was 4096. 4096. So let us see what is the Ravi purchased a house from DDA, Delhi Development Authority, on credit. If the cost of the house is rupees 7,50,000 and DDA charges interest at 6% per annum compounded annually, find the interest paid by Ravi if he makes payment to DDA after 3 years. Now look here. DDA is giving credit to Ravi and the cost of the house is 7,50,000. That means here your principal amount is how much? Your principal amount is P is equal to rupees 7,50,000. So this is the principal amount. And what is the interest charged by the interest rate charged by DDA? It will be R equal to 6%. And Ravi is giving back the amount after 3 years. So time here is 3 years. He is giving the payment after 3 years. So here the charge interest will be charged for 3 years. Now let us see here what is given. It is DDA has given credit on compound interest. It is compounded annually. So that means you have to find interest every year. So therefore let us see what will be the interest for the first year. For the first year it will be P into R into T will be 1 divided by 100. Children, please pay attention. 7,50,000 is the principal amount here and rate is 6% and time 1 year by 100. Now look here. If you cancel these two zeros with these two zeros, now you will be getting 7,500 into 6. This is your first year's interest. So 6 0 is 0, 6 0 is 0, 6 5 is 30, 0, 3, 6 7 is 42 and 3 45. So 45,000 rupees is the interest to be paid for the first year on 7,50,000. So first year interest is 45,000. Now children, you have to make it very clear that for the second year, what is the principal amount? The principal amount will be 7,50,000 plus 45,000. So 7,50,000. 7,50,000 plus 45,000. So this will be the amount for the second year. The principal amount for the second year. Okay, so amount after the first year, this will be 0 0 0 5 7 5 and 4 9 and 7. 7,95,000. 7,95,000. 7,95,000 is the principal amount for finding out the interest for the next year. So let us find the interest for the next year. For the next year, the principal amount is 7,95,000. This will be multiplied by 6 into 1 divided by 100. Okay. Now see, two zeros cancel. Now you are getting 7950 into 6. 7950 into 6. 6 0 is 0, 6 5 is 30, 3, 6 9 is 54 and 3 57, 5, 6 7 is 42 and 5. 42 and 5 will be 47. So this will be 47700. 47,700. Okay. Now this 47,700, what is this 47,700? This is the interest after the second year. Now we have to find out what will be the amount to be paid after the second year. So amount will be how much? Amount for the second year will be 7,95,000 plus 47700. 47700. This will be the amount. If you add, you will get 0. Okay, then 0, then see 0 0 7, 7 and 5 12, 2 1 10 for 14 1. Now this 8,42,700 is the principal amount after the 8,42,000 is the principal amount after the uh, 8,42,700 is the principal amount after the second year. So let us find what will be the interest for the third year. Let us see what interest we are going to get in the third year. So for that third year, principal amount is 8,42,700 multiplied by 6 into 1 divided by 100. Okay. So now let us cancel. Let us cancel the two zeros. So you are left with how much? 8427 into 6. 8427 into 6. So I am just calculating here. 8427 into 6. 6 sevens are 42. 4 6 2 are 12 and 4 16. 6 1 6 are 24 and 125. 2 6 8 are 48 into 50. So see here, 50,562. 50,562 is the interest to be paid. Interest to be paid after the third year. Okay, after the third year. Now children, see what interest means, what amount. First of all, you have to find the total amount he has to pay. For the third year, total amount will be how much? Let us see what is the total amount after the third year. Total amount after the third year is principal plus interest. What is the principal amount? 842,700. 842,700. 700 plus 50562. 50562. So let us see what is the answer. 2 6 7 and 5 12, 2 1 3 4 and 5 9 8. 893,262. So after the third year, the amount to be paid will be 893,262. Okay, 18 means 8,93,262. What will be the compound interest? So compound interest 8,93,000. 8,93,000. 8,93,262 minus 7,50,000, which was his initial principal amount. So how much will be the answer? Let us see. 2 6 2 3 9 minus 5 is 4 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So his compound interest, his interest after 3 years will be how much? 1,43,000, 1,43,262. 2. And what amount he will have to pay? 8,93,262 after the uh, after the third year. After the third year, he has to pay 8,93,200.